Okay, so today we only took 2 trades. And honestly, I wasn't even gonna trade today because today, yesterday I live in America. So yesterday in America, we were supposed to have information on, okay, this is how it is. So Saturday, tariffs were issued on Canada, Mexico, and China, in the United States. Donald Trump put tariffs on everybody. Tuesday they were supposed to take effect on Tuesday, but Monday was the open after Friday's reaction and after Saturday's reaction. So, I'm not gonna go over yesterday's trades because today's Tuesday. But Monday, if you look at EURUSD, we're going to see the biggest gap ever. Okay. Well, now it doesn't look like the biggest gap ever because of, obviously the market has filled the gap now. But if we go back, let me see if I can do a rewind for you guys. Yeah, so if we go back a couple days and we're going to go down 15 minutes. So we're going down 15 minutes because I want you guys to see what the open was like Sunday around, open. Can we go slower? All right, yeah, because sometimes it goes a little bit too fast. So we're going to do 5 minutes. Okay, so watch how it gapped. Okay, maybe this is too slow. Okay, that's low-key slow. Okay. I don't know what time this is. Wait, this is... Oh, hell no, y'all. We went all the way back to February. To Wednesday in January. Hold up, let's fit that, hold up. Let's fix this. My bad, y'all. All right, we're gonna go bait. Jesus Christ. Sir. Yes, please. I'm about to spaz the fuck out. All right. So right here, this is the 15-minute. It would have been cooler. Nah, I'm gonna do it. F it, I'm gonna do it. I don't care if y'all leave the video. I'm gonna do it. All right. So boom. This is Friday. So let's go straight to the kind of right here. All right. Boom. So y'all, look how this shit gapped. And I want y'all to know this is the reaction after Friday and the reaction. Okay. Chill. Boom. Y'all see how crazy big this gap was? This gap was insane after the Saturday news. So this gap was insane. So as you guys know, Trump has since then said, yo, we're not going to, that was cap, basically. He said that was cap. I was just capping. We're not going to issue tariffs on Canada, and we're not going to issue tariffs on Mexico. He gave him like a 30-day. You know what I'm saying? Gave him like a 30-day, like, we're gonna revisit this situation in 30 days. But they still did tax China. So as you can see, the day started. When did the day start? All right, so the day started right about, no, that's 4. Okay, so yeah, so at the open today, I don't trade in the 5-minute, but I'm just, it's a little easier just showing you how the day went. So, we got, like I said, we got into two trades today. We were very, very, very bullish on today. I was like, since this news, just since like everybody's been freaking out about the tariffs and stuff like that. And now that they're not gonna happen, I know that price is gonna retrace back up. Like I got a feeling, that price is gonna retrace back up. But I got into the since I kind of got out of the market early yesterday. You see, I kind of got out a little early. I was still watching. Even though I got out early. And when I saw, so my first trade was, sorry y'all. So my first trade was literally at 4:36 p.m. So my first trade was kind of around right here, and I got into a sell. So I saw price react off of this zone right here. And this is, so what I did was, when I saw that big fair value gap, right? Like you guys saw, it's filled now. It's not there anymore. It's filled. But I basically placed a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of that fair value gap to the top of the fair value gap. And I got rid of all of the lines that were in here, like the 78 and the 60, the 32. I got rid of all of that. And I just wanted the 0, and I wanted the 50, and I wanted the 100. So the reason for that is because I knew, you got to understand, there's a discount zone. When you're bullish, there's a discount zone, and you have a premium zone. And when you're bearish, you have a discount zone and you have a premium zone. So, like I said, I was bullish on the day, and but once I saw it enter this premium zone and it reacted to this right here, I was like, okay, it's reacting, so I'm gonna just put a sell in. And I placed my stop loss somewhere. I think it was maybe like 25, 50 pips. I put it somewhere along the lines up here. And I was like, okay, we're going to take this trade, and we're just going to see what it does. So I got in. Let's go ahead and got in a sell. Okay, that's wrong, but we'll rock with it. I'll just put in this stuff. I like to put the stop losses kind of on the price, so I can see how far price moved before price moved before we went into profit. So I entered at I'm sorry, y'all. 1.03221. Okay. And we took profit at, we took profit at three. Okay, well, actually we got in it here. Okay, I'm lying. Let me stay focused. Okay, so yeah, so we got in at this price. This was our first entry around this time. We got in right here. Okay, and we took profit at 0.310 okay. So we took profit there. That's wrong. Or, oh, maybe it's right. Okay, maybe it's right. Okay. All right, so yeah, so this is exactly how the trade played out, y'all. This is exactly how the trade played out. So, like I said, I got in around 4:36 p.m., right? And as you can see on the trade, I was fucking completely wrong. I hope this is the right price. Yeah, so I'm guessing I got in. I must have got in right here. Yeah, I got in right here on this candle. Wow, so that was a terrible entry, guys. This was a terrible entry. Okay, so I can't remember what I saw here. I think what I saw was I saw price come up here and react off of this level. So when I saw that, and when I saw it break this high, I was like, okay, this is liquidity. This is a liquidity grab right here. So I was like, all right, I saw that reaction, and now I'm gonna get into this sell. And when I got into the sell, this candle was already wicked up, like it was wicked. I believe, right? I believe that it was wicked. So so I was like, okay, we're gonna get in right here. And even when I saw these, I was like, you know, I think I had my stop loss around. I can't remember where I had my stop loss, but I had it somewhere where it didn't get hit, obviously. So I was like, okay, you know, I'm gonna just ride the trade out, right? And so what I did when I saw that it reacted up here to this, oh my God, that's DoorDash calling. It's DoorDash. I didn't know I still had it on. Oh my God, please don't cancel the order. It's gonna cancel the order. Yeah, we need this. Yeah, we need this money, guys. All right, but I'm gonna go over this trade. I'm gonna go over this trade before I go DoorDash. Okay, so when I saw that I was wrong, you know, I was like, okay, let's just see what it does. Yo, you're on my dick. Okay, so let's see what it's gonna do. Boom, it reacted off of that really premium. It reacted off the premium zone, right, guys? So I was like, boom, okay, it's reacting to this premium zone. And I'm like, okay, so we're gonna hold the trade. We seen right here, it didn't break structure, but it tried to. It couldn't really. I mean, it closed above. I mean, you could say this broke structure, but I really wouldn't. We're chilling. We're not really saying it broke structure, because these wicks, to me, they mean something, guys. They mean something. Okay, so right here, I got into another trade. I got into another trade at 30 at right here. Let's pull it up. And then once I explain this, I'm gonna go ahead and go DoorDash. 34.50. So we got in at 34.50 right here. Y'all, let's get it. And we took profit here at 190. Okay. So I doubled down on my position, which is not what you're supposed to do. This is low key. Well, I wouldn't say this is breaking my rules, because I do like to stack positions, especially it's because sometimes this may happen. You know, sometimes you get into a trade too early, and you know, sometimes you get into a trade too early and it doesn't hit your stop loss, and you're still bullish and it's still reacting to your area. So it's like you're like, you know, you want to stay in, you know what I'm saying? You still want to stay in and you still want to make money. So what I do is I make sure that I risk each trade a certain amount, so that I can then go back into a trade if I'm still having that bias. You understand what I'm saying? Because right here, I got into this trade right here with 1,500 units, right? And then I got into this trade with 1,500 units. So I was like, okay, so now I'm in total 3,000 units, which is kind of like the max, like where I want to be. And I put the stop losses around the same, just so it can close, you know, around the same price. I like to be around at least 30, 25, 15, depending on what time frame I'm trading on. Or especially right here, because I got in a little late. I got in really like towards the close of the day. So I made my stop loss a little bit higher, because sometimes, You know what I'm saying? During that close, there's a lot that spread just, sometimes it may go up 10 pips or it might go down 10 pips. So you want to make sure you have enough, your stop loss is enough to accommodate for that spread. Sorry, I kind of went off on a tangent. Yeah, so I got into this right here, correct? And I believe I can't remember what time frame it was. We'll look up and see what time I got into the trade, but we got in at this price, and you can see the trade played out. And we didn't close this trade. We should have kept this trade open, but you know, I wanted to go to sleep. I didn't want to be on the fucking charts all day. So we made 26 pips off of this play, and then we made 2.9. So until we made about 30 pips, right, off of this play. And the reason why I took this is because, like I said, I was very bearish. This is the top of the premium zone. We had this high, right? We had this liquidity, right? And then price, well, or supply zone, right? Price came up there, retested the supply zone, and then retested it again and just came back down. You know, it's a pretty smooth play, and we made some money. And this wasn't the first trade of today, but this was technically the first trade of the day. But I do have to go in DoorDash. I hope you guys like the video. There's going to be a second trade update soon.